Hi guys, it's Claudia. Welcome back to my channel. Starting off 2026, we have an unboxing, which is my new and first iMac with the M4 chip, 256 gigabytes of storage and 24-inch display with the standard display. I also did go for the silver color because I did want to keep it a bit classy, whereas with my other devices like my iPhone and stuff, I'll be a bit more like colorful. I don't know, I just feel like I really wanted an iMac, so I just got one. Like, I'm not gonna stop myself. Who's gonna stop me? I do feel like I'm always like behind on my big devices because I did hear that the iMac in M5 chip is gonna come out, but I just didn't want to wait any longer. I'm not gonna keep you waiting any longer. Let's get into it. Hold on. Just lead with the tabs. For safety reasons, I'm gonna put this to the side. First things first, the accessories, beautifully laid out. Let's start off with the Magic Keyboard. This is the normal keyboard, so I didn't get a Touch ID one because it was more money, but I think this is a good start. You have the USB-C charging port here, right in the middle. It's so lightweight, I love it. The mouse. Nice and sleek for your hand. USB charging port as well, which I find a bit weird because it's at the bottom here, so you can't really charge it whilst you're using it. Next we have a charging cable. We have one part of the plug going to be joined, I'm guessing, by this bigger piece here, and then found it. And the information pack. It's nice to have. Let's see it, let's see it. This is too big. The display, 24-inch display. The front of the iMac has like this white border. A camera here, 12 megapixel camera. On the back here, this is where more of the silver's coming through. We have a power button, and I do like this power button because it feels like it's just made for your touch because of the dent. And we have the two USB-C ports. The speakers are at the bottom of the iMac. And I'm so happy I finally get to have a proper desk setup. It's just so much better having like a second monitor to see all the little details and see everything more up close. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!